tutorial on how to make the perfect chocolate ice cream soda. Ingredients you'll need: milk, club soda, a glass, preferably a soda glass, vanilla ice cream, Hershey's chocolate syrup, straw, a spoon for dipping out the ice cream, and then a spoon for eating. So let's go ahead and start the process. That's just about right for this type of glass. All right, next we'll add some chocolate syrup. We add in some chocolate syrup. About half of the milk is usually good. Perhaps even a little bit less, maybe 1/3. So that's probably good right there. It is kind of to taste how chocolatey you want it. But if you do at least 1/3, that'll be pretty good. And a little soda water, and then we'll mix it all together. But we won't fill it completely yet. Now we'll add some soda water, add it to about halfway at this point on the cup. And that's about good right there. Okay, now we'll mix it all together. And then after we do that, we'll put a little ice cream in. So let's go ahead and mix it. Really need to put the milk in it. Some, like Baskin-Robbins and other places, when they used to do it, they just only put soda water. They don't put any milk. That's really key to it. And then now, let's add some ice cream. Some helping in there. This actually is kind of to help make the mixture creamy, so I don't want to completely fill it with ice cream at this point, but enough to get in there and start melting into the mixture so far. So, but if you put too much, that's okay. You can always work with it. All right, so we're going to kind of push this down and get some of the mixture together with the ice cream, the chocolate, and the soda water, and then we'll finish it off with some more soda water. So let's do that right now. Grab our soda water and fill it up. And then now you can either put a little more ice cream or just go with that it is. But right now, this is the perfect ice cream chocolate soda, handed down from generation to generation from a true soda jerk back in the day. And just put your straw and you're ready to go. Delicious.